What is app testing and publishing? Hey everyone! Last time we learned how to code basic apps. Today, we're diving into what happens after you've written all that awesome code, testing and publishing. Think of coding like cooking a dish. Testing is tasting it before you serve, and publishing is when you actually serve it to your friends or the entire world through the App Store. Why testing and publishing matter? Why does this matter? Because users expect apps to work, like instantly. If your app crashes or feels buggy, users delete it faster than you can say, oops. Testing ensures quality. Publishing means your app can be shared, rated, and downloaded. It's how your idea goes from code to reality. What is manual testing? Manual testing means using the app as if you're a regular user. It's hands-on. Tap buttons, enter wrong passwords, rotate the phone, try all the weird stuff people do. Manual testing helps find bugs automation might miss, especially UI issues. You become the app's first real user. Steps in manual testing. Start with your app's goals. What should it do? Then make a list of test cases. For example, try logging in without a password, or swipe from the wrong direction. Then actually do them and write down everything that breaks. Manual testing is like being a tech detective. Tools for manual testing. Tools help you test smarter. Android Studio has emulators for different phones. Browser Stack lets you try your app on a bunch of devices without actually owning them. These tools are like having a virtual phone lab in your computer. What is debugging? Now, let's fix those bugs. Debugging is the detective work of figuring out why the app crashed or behaved weirdly. You read error logs, use breakpoints, and dig through code. It's where your logic skills really shine. Fixing common errors. Bugs come in types. Syntax errors are like spelling mistakes in code, easy to spot. Runtime errors? Your app runs, then crashes. And UI bugs are those annoying misalignments or non-working buttons. The fix? Test often. Code clean. Stay sharp. Speed up your app. Nobody likes slow apps. Reduce load time by optimizing images and not loading everything at once. Use background threads so tasks don't freeze the app. A smooth experience. Happy users. Reducing app size. Why does size matter? Because data is expensive. Apps that are too big take longer to download and install. Compress your media, use smart packaging, and only keep what's necessary. Users appreciate light, snappy apps. Battery and memory usage. An app that drains battery like a vampire? No thanks. Keep background tasks minimal, avoid memory hogging content, and always test on actual devices. Real phones give real performance feedback. Creating app icons. First impressions count. A great icon makes your app stand out. Use bold colors, simple shapes, and make it memorable. Think Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube. They're all instantly recognizable by icon alone. Designing splash screens. Your splash screen is the red carpet for your app. It should show up fast and make your app feel polished. A short animation or logo reveal works. Just don't keep users waiting. They came to use your app, not watch a movie trailer. Signing and building APK IPA. Once everything's tested, you need to sign your app. This is like putting your official name and seal on it. APKs are for Android. IPAs are for iPhones. These files are what you upload to app stores. Use Android Studio or Xcode to build and sign them. Pre-launch checklist. Before hitting publish, double-check everything. Is the app crash-free? Is your icon correct? Screenshots ready? Permissions not too pushy? Imagine you're a user. Would you download this app? If not, fix it. Publishing to Google Play. To publish on Google Play, pay a one-time $25 fee, upload your signed APK, write a fun description, and choose a category. Submit it for review. Usually within a few hours to a couple of days, your app is live. Publishing to Apple App Store. Apple's process is more complex. You'll need a 99-year developer account, build your app using Xcode, and submit through App Store Connect. Apple reviews very carefully, especially for design and privacy, but once approved, your app is in the hands of iPhone users everywhere. Showcasing your app. Build it, share it, make a short demo video, create a simple one-page website, or post on Instagram and WhatsApp. Your app deserves attention. Show your classmates and maybe even your teacher extra credit. Learning from feedback. Reviews aren't just for show, they're learning tools. Someone says the app crashes on a certain phone. Boom, new test case. Positive reviews? Celebrate. Negative ones? Improve. Every comment is a step forward. Celebrate your launch. You built and launched an app. That's a huge deal. Throw a mini launch party, take selfies with your app on your phone, post your story, be proud. You've gone from coder to creator. Final thoughts and motivation. Remember, tech isn't just for geniuses. It's for you. Keep experimenting, keep coding, and don't be afraid of bugs. Mistakes are part of learning. Your next app might just be the next big hit, or the start of your dream career.